This 5-minute solution will show you how to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. So if you want to send a photo or a video that will be automatically disappear after viewing, just follow these quick solutions to do it. First of all, open your Insta application and open the message conversation where you want to send the disappearing photo and video. Tap on this camera icon at the bottom left. And now you can capture a instant photo or a video. Now tap on allow replay at the bottom left corner until you see view once option. So select view once here, then send the photo or video. And now I'm going to switching my Instagram profile. So here's I receive a message. I'm going to opening it, tapping on view photo, and here you can see the photo has been successfully viewed. And now if I again tap on this photo, as you can see it's not opening or working because it's disappeared. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.